Question number 26 the P is at. Ate yung P na te question mass ka pera mass na 40 kg mo pira na ta. If a body of mass 40 kg is taken inside the R to a depth of 1/4. 1/4 radius. The radius of the R, the weight of the body at that point will be where I think I will get enough. Weight put okay, the weight will be equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. I will put up. Simple enough. What is the weight at this depth? Depth to gravity, d/4 and first we have to calculate the acceleration due to gravity at a depth d. And after finding out your acceleration due to gravity, we must multiply it with your mass. Mass to multiply to d, we will be getting your weight at this depth. What is the expression here? G depth will be equal to, this is G 1 minus D divided by R. This is the variation or this is the reduction in acceleration due to gravity due to depth. Depth number one acceleration due to gravity is kaya na handay jisi relation tak na ka. Mana depth ka pyramid. Your depth is given as 1/4 mo pi the bro. R/4. Ado di simply when mana pyramid is at this depth R/4. What is the acceleration due to gravity? It becomes G divided by 9 naman pi na to. Question na pinamani ko ay nahayalo natin this is G 1 minus D will be replaced by R/4. So can we put it as R/4 into this is R. After cancellation, kya tarani your G and G get cancel out. I know iso. Pwedeng tulong ko naman. Sorry. Wala tayo ko pa padala. Si G depth se puto na to. Sorry. G depth will be equal to here. It should be G into 1 minus this is R/4 into this is R. After cancellation, we get our answer to be kya already said 4 minus 1 it will be 3/4. G mata dabra. Here we go. Acceleration due to gravity at this depth will be 3/4 G. Now, what will be the weight? Weight will be mass into acceleration due to gravity at this depth. Mass क्या pyramid mass है 40 kg p बोला 40 into what is the G depth? It is 3/4 G malak ro. This get cancel out. This is 10. Ado di kya tadi this will be 30 acceleration due to gravity and this will be equal to 30 kg weight. Aina sina kaya na takra ko in your low motion da 50 G will be equal to kaya gamana gani ba 5 G will be equal to 5 kg weight. 10 G will be equal to 10 kg weight. Yabra? Ay smo we ko body mass m on the resi this is body mass m. What is the weight? Weight would be mg. Now we can write like this. This is m kg weight and yabra. And it's simple enough. Your acceleration due to gravity can be also be written as kg weight. Understood the umra? And kangi ko here very simple enough. 40 acceleration due to gravity 30 times acceleration due to gravity can be written as 30 kg weight. Hey ko. Next question number 14 देखिए. Question number 14 there is very interesting question है वो. कोई hot air balloon ना लो hot air balloon है कि गरम gas utilize तभी fill तो ना बा helium नत्रगा hydrogen ना हापी दना अदु इतार डी mass के दवी it will rise. अदु मतलब कागज की प्रकार तबरा काकली why करी गिनो मतलब कागज की गिनो and what will be the head of this balloon filled with your helium halaba hydrogen halaba nangi balloon se मतलब कसु कागज ना सु पार माजे will it go outside space ना जा किधर चलो इधर कैसे होता है मास काय रखने है it will burst ma kai ki niam ko kai manam se kai na very simple e hai gyung bade ho Earth atmosphere se Earth will have atmosphere and it has 4 different layers like ko number 1 the troposphere, number 2 the stratosphere, ionosphere, lithosphere leko. Every weather phenomenon will occur at this troposphere. Troposphere the weather phenomenon occur to ganeva. Aduka stratosphere na this is favorable for flying aeroplane. Aeroplane pilot is the pilot ko. Ionosphere is the kayo. This is suitable for your satellite communication. Satellite communication to sida lakto ko. Yani ko, exosphere means it should be outer space. Yaga yari ko. Ado what is the basic logic se kaino? Heavier gases heavy oil, carbon dioxide kumba, adagi methane kumba, adagi water vapor kumba. These are heavy gases sing na. This heavy carbon dioxide, water vapor, adagi lagi sulfur dioxide heavier gas they will descend they will be found in and around the earth surface oxygen simple concept heavier gases will descend while lighter gases will ascend ayang put gas ke na rise to gani heavier it will descend to the surface near to the surface of the earth khangani ko that is why hot air balloon say it will rise majarun ka gani yanta ni is khani ko the rising of your hot air balloon is due to the presence of your atmosphere understood tawi now gani kumba same balloon say this is our earth ni ko if the same balloon is taken over moon the pure khalaje mundo itali Mal can only Alejabra. When you did atmosphere, bro. No, my atmosphere to later go. The atmosphere to later minute. This air balloon, not even helium balloon hierarchy. This helium balloon set, this will fall under gravity of Masan Tarakane. Yatabra. Hey, is understand the woman program the bro? What would be the correct answer? Answer to Kayatani. Mana film is a acceleration due to gravity on the moon is Kayataba 1/6 times. I know how to draw 1/6 times the acceleration due to gravity on the earth. Therefore, this hot air balloon will fall on the surface of the moon. Moon the surface of the Majatarakani. Yagata, I understand the woman bara. Namiko, I simple logic ni. Next time laksi the masse hot air balloon say RT mulorasi. Our answer is option number D. Answer is option number D. Tareko. Let us discuss some extra information. Kara discuss tausi. Nagi air balloon say masse rise. Tawga masse ke doni. It will explode masse. Kaira ka niya ba? Yan tay ko. Why? Kari gino kain manam say. Suppose example point of view dam mulorasi ba. Koi sigi room sida ay no mapani no ipong lo jala thamong mo gero. Rồi lấy ngông ra nằm một cái đó tay không ngâu vài mình không đi you have to break the window or door in order to come out from this room ya ra vậy ko at my to na this balloon say it is filled with air nata here at the lower atmosphere lower atmosphere your atmospheric pressure is too high this is atmospheric pressure and this the pressure inside the balloon jet, it will be known as excess pressure. And once then the atmospheric pressure is more over the here, then the foam they are made from your iron because Magi outer atmospheric pressure is greater than the inner excess pressure the level. Aduna, when they try to come out, they are prohibited by or they are restricted by atmospheric pressure from every direction. Every direction the man follow pe adena forbid tawga thamra thami. Yan tai ko yari se. Adu when it ascend to some certain height, man asu rise to matamda it will come to your stratosphere lagani ionosphere your rekhala jeva. At that point, your atmospheric pressure will be very less. Atmospheric pressure less or this door and the window are made from glass which you can break it and it can come out. Natra, hey, is it understood to go because when it ascend, other price there will be some certain height where the inner pressure of this air balloon is more than the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is here. It would explode and your helium and hydrogen will come out. Yeah, understand the and see the extra information ni ko. Now adu time ida sintang I have ge potential and potential energy lai ko. Nang si potential ka I discuss tau ge hagi potential will be discussed only for conservative force kita khangi ko. Yaraba. Now let us understand what is potential. In your book it will be written as the work done for bringing 1 unit test charge adu da am sang idra. Forget it. You simply memorize like this. Kamana memorize the this 1 kg of the mass must have how much of energy in order to remain on the surface of the earth. Earth's surface the lainaba honaba matamda how much of energy is required. That is known as potential. Yabra. Example of the analogy of the pura analogy of pig ko with respect to your charge the pig charge of pita then have say ziko. This is plus q ne nikhalaji masi plus q ji this is source mo ko dabra at a distance r small r la from the we place 1 column of charge thame kalajeva. Now this is positive pe dabutare this 1 column of charge will be attracted or will be repelled to dinatra in which direction c direction the repel to dabro the force experienced the repulsive force experienced by this 1 column of charge from the source will be known as electric field intensity E covenant. Yeah, and it will be equal to K. K means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and it must be Q divided by R square distance square. Understand the now instead of this 1 column lobi mohta kay loba tarabase. If we consider at this particular point the electric field is E in a color ko electric field is E and we place 1 column of Q1 column of charge mo pangi kalaji. What is the force experienced by this Q1 due to source charge Q sina kya lakani ba? It is very simple oina. This is Q1 E in high the bro 1 pen force of this 3 or 35 pen will be 5 to 3 like na 1 obtained how much of force is obtained by 1? It is E na tra. And with 5 it will be 5 into E la tra. Understood mo miko? Very simple na. Nang I is a field intensity and it is very simple. The energy, the force experienced by 1 column of charge will be known as electric field intensity. Yatra multiple charge ko na si kaya mare columns force kita nang kamay hai this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught your Q1 Q divided by yalapa R square la yani understand me. Now in terms of energy the logic this is in terms of force na niko force na field intensity. Now instead of this kanoki mahuta energy ki mahuta na instead of force ki mahuta if we consider the energy, that energy will be known as potential ko baneva. Potential is the energy required by this unit charge to remain at a distance r from source. Source the labna how much of energy is required. That energy is known as potential. And it will have the expression K into this is Q divided by R. That means your distance will be now reduced to only R. The force ki R square like ko aduga potential energy ki dadi kya lakpa hai 1 ta lakro bro or 2 limited to 1 reduce hoga it is now Q by R ta hangani ko adu here instead of this 1 column remove the Q thamta what will be the nagi energy what will be the energy 1 pen cos rupees B then 3 pen will cos 3 dm tabra. Just like that, the total energy that is required for Q1 to exist at a distance r from this source it is very simple G into Q1 point. Can we write like this or not? Here our expression becomes G will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into this is Q1 divided by this is R finish. I conclusion very simple potential it will be for 1 unit. The energy for 1 unit will be potential. The energy for multiple units in maybe 5, 6, 7 10 laidna, that will be known as potential energy. Potential is only one. Hangani ko potential energy it will be for multiple. Yadna understood to nga mi ko just like that. Aduga nang second point to be noted your force ki 1 by r square follow the but for your energy or potential it will follow only 1 by r. 1 by r like understand to nga mi ko just like that. Nanga 1 kg low if 1 kg mass is on the surface of the earth, surface it will possess how much of energy? That energy will be known as gravitational potential. Gravitational potential on the surface of the earth. Understood we? The gravitational potential V will be equal to kya manane wa? Will it be positive or negative? According to our recent analysis kari thangi, potential will be positive or negative if the force is repulsive. Attractive or negative? Potential will be negative for attractive force. Mataro. Ay ko. Ado ita here gravitation we will be having only attraction ka koi banina. Our potential will be minus capital G capital M divided by radius r. That means these two are at a distance capital R like this. Hey, get that here, bro. Hey, understand to mo. This is potential at the surface of the earth. It will be minus capital G capital M divided by distance capital R. Okay, minus na karigi no because the force of gravitation is positive. Because the force of gravitation is attractive. Attractive or na potential is minus. Yagadra repulsive or na potential will be positive. Si kawya deko. I understand to bro. This is positive charge. This is positive charge plus Q into plus Q. This is plus tabra. Here, what is the force that exists between this Q and the Q1? It is repulsive tabra. Your potential becomes positive tabra. For your repulsive force, your potential will be positive. Yani, now if we change it with minus, minus there will be force of attraction between your Q and Q1. They attract on our potential become minus. Understood to bra? Ay is khangali ko. Ado ita ni sila na gravitation attractive or ganina. We will be having symbolic representation as minus or happen. Yara yari ko. Ado next time yung potential at some certain height ay sa malaw receive ko. Ado ita our answer will be very simple. Sama na minus capital G M divided by what is the distance? Our effective distance will be R, small r. Kaya lo radius r plus height h. It will be equal to effective distance small r calculated from the board. RT4 calculator of R4 calculator of small r and it will be equal to minus capital G capital M divided by distance capital G capital M divided by distance. This distance की expression को change करूँगी वानी divided by क्या लाखों से R plus I. Hay kita yoga. Ini. Hey, understood to kung ko. Nang force kita wala na 1 by r square will be follow. In terms of energy kita wala na it will follow only 1 by r. 1 by r to kag follow tao gani hai ba. Now let us discuss the potential energy. Potential energy we discuss already. Instead of 1 kg now we consider a mass small m placed on the surface of the earth surface mass small m what will be the potential energy? Very simple your potential energy will be equal to 1 this is beta here potential energy for the surface will be equal to v surface into this is m and so we will be having minus capital G capital M divided by this is capital R. Okay, hey, understand to 1 it will be potential for multiple kg. This M will be 5 kg, 7 kg. This is only 1 kg. For 7 kg, 8 kg, for 1000 kg, for 100 kg, it will be this formula. Yeah, hey, Next time we have potential energy at some height. This is very simple. It will be just like this: minus capital G, capital M, small m divided by, it will be small r. Small r ma happy row minus capital G, capital M divided by r plus I sama every topic calculate the gravitation we consider the physical quantity on the surface. Next consider we consider the physical quantity at some certain height. I consider we acceleration due to gravity on the surface above height ice. Yabra potential consider on the surface above height ice. Yabra potential energy on the surface above height ice. Discuss the week like this. We will be having this one. Hayrani. Question number 27. See that? This is not the radius. Radius nothing. This is the effective distance of your any mass small m from the core. RT core ready ne capital R la from the letter ne. Yabra, yareko. See the moon we have this moon ki mass na kya pyramid. This is capital M, small m on P dabra. And the effective distance is small r on P dabra. Hey, is it kya hoga? Understood tonga miko? We have an object of mass m located in between our earth and the moon. Earth to moon the object of mass m what is the distance of this mass m from the core of our earth? From the core of our earth, it is capital R. And what about this mass m from the core of the moon? It is at a distance small r. Then you have to find out the total potential energy for this mass small m. Small m ki mass small m ki potential energy kya tani you have to calculate it. Okay, so potential energy will be of two different types. Potential energy due to our earth. Hangani ko yani next will be potential energy due to the moon. Here we have to find out the sum of these two potential energy from our earth and from the moon. Yatra. Understood ko? Potential energy, total potential energy will be equal to, can we write like this, potential energy due to earth plus potential energy due to moon. But you simply put potential energy will be negative minus capital G, and what is the mass of our planet? This is m. And what about the mass of the object to be considered? Small m. And what is the distance? My distance the distance is capital R. Plus what is the potential energy of this mass m with respect to the moon? It will be minus capital G, capital M, small m divided by, we must have another m. This m is for the mass of the object. This m, this lowercase m denote the mass of the moon. Confusion divided by what is the distance? My effective distance is small r. What is the given condition? The mass of our planet Earth is 81 times the mass of the moon. This is the given condition. And option D, here we can simply put it as minus capital G, M can be written as, this is 81 times, 81 times M, can we put like this? General knowledge ki See, accurate value de ma pirize. Our art is 81 times the mass of the moon. Dagi di 81 times man bigger oil ma 81 times oil gani aba. Ay kamali ko into this is small m divided by this is capital R. Ano kung kaya brother bro? First expression like this is minus again. Si minus mo thoge ko. This is minus plus minus minus capital G capital M small m into this is small m divided by this is kya lakpa small r lakra. Ag kana kamalawi we can take capital G small capital M small m jilo ko ya bra. We can put like this. This is minus capital G 81 times capital G capital M small m. This will be kya tarani 81 divided by r lakra. Daiko this will become plus sama tagadra minus sama kamalogre ko plus sama this will be 1 by r lakra. This will be our expression. Hai gadra ba yaw rabo sida nangi kano do option number 3 do and mana irida capital G small m e n irido m and auto ay hasi kya bro option number 3 is a m e do m and auto ba do this sumer Your question number 29 is that the gravitational potential at a height is above the अनुमान है ना इसे करे है ना इसे पाग ना पाग तुम निको potential है ना मेरा potential energy है ना मेरा question number 27 is माना potential energy है ना मिको that is why we apply the potential energy formula and in your question number 29 it is written as gravitational potential का है मिको the gravitational potential at some certain height is above the earth is क्या था this is earth ले ले को radius r हम ले रहे मांग height is ने नखले जिको this is height is what is the potential over here let me put it as v is हमारे के को your v is given as minus 5 point क्या लाग पास है 1 2 into 10 to power 7 नंबर पीरे को and it is also given that at this height what is the acceleration due to gravity will be reduced reduced over the and reduced to kya da mana reduced to 6.4 on the reduced over and if we take the radius of our earth to be 6400 kilometer over the we have to find out the below ice understood the word me yagadra here very simple what is the effective distance will be r plus ice yagadra mana pire mi sikai kaino such type of question become important way maram you have to by heart two formula ni chimha bu bata variation of acceleration due to gravity at some certain height ice hangi ko and you have to remember the gravitational potential not potential energy gravitational potential at height ice yagadra अदर देता है वो हम तांगे ऋषिका सी कहीं होगा नहीं G ice will be equal to क्या माना बा do we know the height ice यो असिदा इना याम फजबल लॉजिक में है के you look at the option my option दे ये हो option जितना कहीं के पीमा पीने में से 1200 kilometer 1600 kilometer 1800 2400 kilometer पीरा अदु दिक्कत हम कुमला अप्लाई करना आई ngang si loksun ngam de acceleration due to gravity at height will have two different type of expression capital G capital M divided by this is small r square or in short kamai you have a capital G capital M divided by r plus ice holding square हम lakra and the reduction in the acceleration due to gravity due to height will have this is G 1 minus 2 h divided by r mo obra the option the man just by looking at the option we cannot apply this here apply the over okay you know this formula will be valid only up to 320 km above the surface of the earth natra I is kamu ko one option the it is way more than 320 kilometer or natra adudi nanga exam da if you go just by remembering only this you will not get your answer sita paladi aroiba karan ko pan tare you have to apply this ai khomura khangani ko adi very simple oina gh will be equal to kamanaba capital G capital M divided by this is r plus h holding square and ibiara. And what will be the value? My value is capital me. This is 6.4 and epidem ra 6.2 or 6.4 6.4 ma pire ko. Now what about the potential at this height? Bujik to what keep doing? Potential will be equal to kya manaba minus capital G capital M divided by effective distance r. Smile ka e lagi effective distance no small r ka na e lagi small r square. Ya kadra? Ya iko. Ato si ya ningi khangani ko. And my value is kya manani and value will be equal to minus kya manaba minus it is 5.12 into this is 10 to power 7 number pibra pire kanino puthokti je we have to calculate the value of h puthokti natra you divide this two ma divide to no divide to nata we are left with kana lehorani. This is equation number 1 ama thonbiramo this is 2 then kalaji 1 divided by 2 1 to 2 divide toro we will be getting kana fangani was capital G capital M divided by small r square divided by this minus and the minus get cancel out. Understood tomra? This minus is for the formula and this minus is for the given value. Yai ko hai se understand tomra ko minus minus cancel chakre ko. Now sida kya movie this is capital G M divided by small r and this will be equal to your 6.4 divided by kya lagpa 5.12 into 10 to power 7 hai ni this gg get cancel out adu kya tha se this is 1 by kya tha small r tarbo 1 by small r tai ko se adu ga this is equal to my value no ta happy ro 6.4 nipan parte 64 8 times हो जाता है मालिको 8 times तो यहाँ मालिको I has come away other here very simple one is cut total क्या हमने this is 0.8 हम ताबरा this is 0.8 nipan है 8 8s are 64 so we will be having क्या ताबा 0.8 सीधे क्या लानी this will be क्या ताबा 64 हम ताबरा this is 6.4 thambiro this is 5.12 adun thambiro ko kenta ka ni leader adun thamaji adun here very simple oina sumai ni bia bang this will be 64 divided by this will be sigi kanoni sa kita di this is 51.2 le ko can we write like this 512 into this is 10 to power 6 ani bia bra can we put like this IDC 1 decimal point of the numerator and 1 decimal point of the denominator get cancel out and in the denominator we are left with 1 decimal point and if this is multiplied with 110 multiply to it will become 512 now for 10 for 6 like this cancel this is 8 1 by 8 hangani ko you transfer this side see side this will be 8 into 10 to power 6 10 to power 6 this will be small r tare man tang khalage mo kari na p in terms of kilometer the p na to this mine ibra this is 8000 kilometer and ibra can we put it as 8000 kilometer tare ko 8000 kilometer and this r will be equal to 6400 kilometer plus I and ibra As bro, small r क्या माने capital R plus I समला अपना तो capital R की value तो 6400 हम यहाँ पे अपना था अभी C की 8000 देखिए 6400 का कितना आदि क्या अपने 2600 हमरा ना 1600 पंगे को अभी here our answer is 1600 kilometer above the surface of the earth याद रख My question number 30 is the P is if the change in the potential energy, nothing, if I have nothing, the change in the potential energy when a body of mass small m is raised to a height nr from the earth surface. क्या आता है कि वो है change in the potential. The potential energy वाला है निको. Very simple है ना. What is the potential energy on the surface of the earth? क्या आता नहीं? It is already written over there. ठीक है को minus capital G capital M small m divided by radius of the planet Earth. याद रहा? यार को C कितनी क्या आता है नहीं से? Above this height से क्या आता है ना? Above this height it will be minus क्या लागू से capital G capital M small m divided by R plus H. masih khang di dai ganun tang ge. Abhin ka anta hai lo potential energy at the surface and potential energy at this height se which one will be greater? Question tar ki matlab credit tai greater banda greater hoga ni ha surface ta fatai ni wonderful यार पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हाइट डिपेंड तौदब्रो हाइट वैल्यू देंगे से वैल्यू वाइज देंगे दिस इज ओनली नंग कनो जे r न डिवाइड तौता हियर न्यूमरेटर इज सेम न्यूमरेटर इज समान अब्रा मानतब्रा माने डिनोमिनेटर इंक्रीजेस नत्रा नाउ इफ वी कंसीडर दिस इज -5 तारे खलजेबा this will be -5 divided by 2 आंसर क्या आता है -2.5 which one is greater this one or this करम ने सावे -5 is greater directly already. No, ये मारे तंग -5 is greater. No, -3 is smaller the value. Greater will be मागी result will be the trap. Hey, is understand तो उन्हें मिको or in another language तो नाम कमाने खन बताए potential energy depends upon the height and drop. With the increase in the height, potential energy increases. Okay, so potential energy at this height will be more than potential energy on the surface of the earth. That is the concept. Hey, क्या mana pyramid no delta u and p natro we have to calculate the change in the potential energy calculate the have neva the change for kya aita d we must know which one is greater which one is smaller thang mathok tab natro this is greater this is smaller hai gata abhi d here u height will be u height minus kya lakwa u surface na lakadra law jo understood to ngami my value option biro Can you height is the catava? This is see you young cylinder go. Cylinder is minus capital G capital M small m divided by alpha R plus see I see kya mane your I is given as n r p p the bro. Man pide ko can you put it as n r n e ya bra the bra. Ya ko. Adu here this minus is for the difference change in the potential change to be minus and what about this will be equal to minus of capital G capital M small m divided by r mata dabra here very simple hoy na kamaini batare we can take kana kaman na we are this will be plus tare ko plus tare sina na low sira ko can we take this is capital G capital M small m divided by r is taken common out si common lako diba si plus tare ko we consider this to be the first term si first term mo le login ko next kana le mo ni stay lako ki tar di this is 1 plus minus la kani ko this is minus kya tama 1 by n plus 1 did you get this sikhang ta sire bise r de common hoidna r se ko common ko ya bra ade denominator becomes r into n plus 1 am ta bro r is taken common out with respect to the two terms is the common loke we are getting this much sima bhange ko after simplification kya ta rani after simplification we will be having capital G I don't need again capital G is capital M divided by R and this will be n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 simplification ko to reject this 1 and the minus 1 get cancel out aduga kya tarani say here Mana pyramid say in terms of acceleration due to gravity the pibreo. Question the option the acceleration due to gravity the express the equal. Can we express this capital G capital M S G R square and express the we are brother. Can we express capital G capital M S G R square? Into this is small m divided by this is R and this is 1 by this is n times n plus 1 here this R and R get cancelled out. We will be having m G R into this is n divided by n plus 1. Finish. By the power of Nina. Is a very simple name. When calculator we say when any object is thrown with escape velocity, it will never return back to the surface of the earth. The velocity with which any object must be projected at any angle. At any angle. At any angle, it may be vertically projected, it may be at some angle, or it may be horizontally projected. It doesn't matter. If this body is projected with velocity equal to VE, escape velocity, it will never return back to the surface of the earth. Why? Because it can overcome the force of gravity produced by earth. Earth produced over one overcome the here very simple. After projection, my projection toward to the net. Where will be this object? See object the object will be at infinity. Unknown place to lay what is the energy possessed by this projectile on the surface of the earth? Energy possessed the it will possess both potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy on the surface of the earth we calculate the hey, is it bro? No, I cannot have it. No, this is surface of the earth. This is surface of the earth. What is the potential energy? Potential energy is 0. Potential energy is 0. This is M. This is side A. Potential energy is equal to mg. On the surface of the earth, your potential energy is 0 and high. That will be for your walk over energy theory. Gravitational walk done. Gravitational walk done. This is gravitational potential energy. Some work is to be done. Under this consideration, we consider that G remains constant. G is constant on the long kinematic stuff from your chapter number 1 to chapter number 5. These alloys, when alloy is 9.8 or 10, constant on the lower chapter due to height, due to depth, due to rotation, due to shape of the earth, we consider the different variations. Discuss the week. Very simple enough. You have to identify the question. If the question is from your gravitation chapter, you have simply on the surface of the earth, it will possess gravitational potential energy. This is only potential energy. See the potential energy work done to rise the mass m to the height h will be equal to mgh. And what is the potential energy of this mass on the surface of the earth? This is equal to 0 and we do not use the word gravitational potential. We simply use potential energy in high. That potential energy is due to some external work. This work is to be done by external agent. see body of mass game zibu mama thanda mathakta kaam namdane namde. This has to be pulled up by some external force F ma apply to in work or energy theory में क्या है C object से कोई ना rise तो क्या raise तो क्या है ताकि we have to exert some external pulling force to bring it up to a height s lakh bro. That means work is done against the gravity. हमें को that work then is converted here as potential energy. What I'm trying to conclude is that this potential energy developed is due to external work done. External work done, it may be human OBI or it may be machine OBI. But here potential related to this gravitation chapter is not done by human being, not done by machine. It is done by art itself. Understood? Basic difference is anyway, on this surface of the art, it will possess gravitational potential energy plus it will possess some kinetic energy. Very simple. At the surface of the art, it will possess both gravitational and potential energy. Gravitational potential energy plus this is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy due to projection. And this will be equal to what is the total energy at this infinity? Do you know this infinity? Infinity is bro. This is beyond imaginative power, beyond the we have to consider it as 0. On the surface, this is at infinity. This is the initial total energy and this is the final total energy at the infinity. Understood? Now let us put the simple form now in gravitational potential energy will be equal to how much? Minus capital G, capital M, small m divided by this is R. On the surface of the earth, it will be this mass of expression. And what about the kinetic energy of the object? This is half m v e square. Can we put like this or not? And this is equal to 0. This is simply the conservation of energy. Total energy on the surface of the earth will be totally used up to reach up to infinity. Infinity total use understood? Now very simple. After simplification, we will be getting this E is equal to root over 2G. Sorry. It will be 2 times G capital M divided by this is So what is the expression of escape velocity from the surface of the earth? From the surface of the earth, your escape velocity will have this expression root over 2m root over 2g capital M divided by R. Capital high is no confusion. Capital M denote the mass of the planet. Small m will denote the mass of the object that is to be thrown. Next time this can be also be converted as 2g r square divided by r. Convert हो गया बरा sequence से कितना डी root over 2g r like it's short of my high meta. I see how many intensely time is there. I can just summarize like this. Escape velocity will have this expression, but in your calculation problem, we are going to use this concept, that is potential energy. Total energy on the surface of the earth is equivalent to 0 energy at infinity. See, utilize the question repeat understand the now simple escape velocity will have two expressions. My expression escape velocity from the surface of the earth will be equal to root over 2 capital G capital M divided by radius capital R, and this will be equal to root over this is 2gr. In terms of acceleration due to gravity, it will be like this. escape velocity the mass depend over. Is escape velocity depend upon the mass of the object that is to be thrown? No, it doesn't depend upon the mass of the object that is to be thrown. Khangiko? It depends only on the mass of another planet. Depend over. Acceleration due to gravity depend over. And after calculation, it comes out to be 11.2 km per second. My value is, if we put the value of g to be 9.8, our value is 6400 km natra. After putting the value, we will get 11.2 km per second. How fast is this 11.2 km per second? It is very fast natra. Yeah, fast way in here. Here, what is the main drawback for this formula? Basic formula is the drawback second. I explain to the I explain to you there is record for me. I the crowd in the time. Atmosphere, Nangi, troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, and the layer. Lego, Adita, Hurabina, I did when this object is thrown vertically upwards, this is troposphere, this is troposphere. So this object will receive air friction receive air friction a simple logical understanding. If you walk very slowly, then air will blow towards you. Like when you run it, then air friction will become more. Understand? If we increase the speed of the object more and more, air friction will be developed. Understood the way? Here, if we project the object with 11.2 km from the surface of the earth, this is impossible. Before reaching your stratosphere or before reaching your ionosphere, it will be burned off. Due to air friction, heat will be developed. If the heat developed is enough to ignite the object, then it will burn off. Okay? Comet meteorite burn why? Due to air friction. This is very fast. The air friction produced will be very high, so a great amount of heat will be produced, and this amount of heat will burn up the object that is projected with 11.2 km per second. So there is no need for this velocity. With this velocity, we have to take this object beyond our atmosphere. Atmosphere is beyond the map. So that we can project it at any speed. Satellite launch space it is due to the presence of our atmosphere. Atmosphere one of the possible causes mutation one of the external factor extinct this formula has a drawback to overcome air resistance. Air resistance overcome drawback. Therefore, this object is to be taken up to a certain height from where we can project it with any speed. This is from the surface of the earth. Escape velocity is from the surface of the earth. It is 11.2 km. Now, next time we will see what is the escape velocity from this height ice. This is R. What is the effective distance? R plus ice. Escape velocity from this height ice will be equal to, very simple. V is equal to root over. This is 2 times capital G capital M divided by small r. From the surface of the earth, the distance is capital R. From the core of the earth effective distance is smaller, you will get the answer. Hangiko, yarani adu here, magi value to kya tarani? This will be root over kya tabasa? Root over 2 small g capital R square divided by R plus I seni ibra. After your calculation, this becomes your R times root over 2g divided by this is R plus I seni ibra. Escape velocity concept suma khangaba khangani ko se adi kari gi mak ta koina object se up to some certain height of the mana pu dije ga in order to avoid your air friction avoid the mak if this is possible see possible or ramta we can ignore this formula see formula is ignore the way ya bra ai ese khangani ko escape velocity from some certain height will be this one. Main formula this is only the reduction reductory part. Adu itari 5 minute lady 10 minute lady. Now let us discuss your Kepler's law. Angka hot ki gum jibu ko pula ko na tako pula ko lasi one time hayin pula ko sinaba. Kepler's law we will be having 3 different formula for Kepler. My Kepler is the formula ahum le lakani ko law ahum lakani. First law hai maga, second law hai maga, third law hai maga lakani ko. Adu di nangi sirf nangi first se si ke within of nangi first law je this is known as law of planetary motion and has a ko law of planetary motion. When Arna Santa revolve or rotate Hamletiko, R will be revolving or planet will be revolving around the sun in which orbit, in what type of orbit? Elliptical orbit. Amhanatra. As you see, this is circle natra. Circle with your vertical radius and horizontal radius will be both equal over. Oi, Sinakai Kovi said. Sikay okay. Parabola ko bro. So we I understand the mommy. Ado no na graph ta mo kung mato minus v create ta brasa. Sino kay gawin? Si tamagte, tamde jato ko na tagar tadi. This is hyperbola ko ni ko. Hyperbola ko ko. Next mo ko ila is elliptical orbit hala pra. Elliptical orbit hai ta na it should be like this. May you get no say. Nangi horizontal radius will be more than vertical radius. Vertical radius is horizontal radius na hai na greater hoga. Hangani ko the elliptical orbit height are the nangi kasai ki radius ani to sanguma na roiba. Horizontal will be known as c ke koganem se this axis will be known as major axis koganeba. Longest axis will be known as major axis or horizontal axis no major axis. Aduga this vertical or shortest axis to simla kai kowi minor axis ko gane minor axis si mathematical point of view ni ko ta ise tak khang da ya da ba ki kra tak ni adi nan fast version is very simple oina every planet will be adu asita ni mama tang ga hayo ki ke this is ellipse samle re ko ellipse samada nan ki focus hai ji kai no ko na haing ta chutala khini class 12 ta optics ta lens tala kini ko convex lens concave lens tala idana koi na agang mo ni ta koi decision ni haitana we have your convex lens in your kareba dissection box ta lens ma yaw idana what type of lens is that convex or concave I know so I tha ba ta ra di thik oi ta disi kai again convex so natro no is no actually convex lens diko tha ra di convex lens other dipin ka is it is it convex or concave hande this guy na upi je port kya no plus minus minus Rian nanti minus Jeremy.
Zero.
Okay, it's okay. Kano hindi Harrison nang hindi kayo minus. Loan mag saya ang minus ka to ibra. What is the type of your defect? Kayo ama ngomtre. Hindi nang hindi kaya no. Is it plus or minus? Minus. Adi you all are suffering from myopia na draw. ID only near sightedness. No umungan dije. Anak ko kauni arapo di umungan mo iba. Arapo umungan da mi kay doktor. This is nani kanata release. I your lens no kind of this is convex lens na tra. Here you are going to use the butare concave lens. Yes, corrective lens. This is negative focal length. Convex पे आया था positive. खंगेरा खंगोइरा lens ओइगेरा mirror ओइगेरा convex means positive. खंगनी को अदुका concave हारगना negative. Concave mirror, concave lens, negative. So your power is negative. You are using concave lens. Ya iko ya hensi understood to ngumi. Khang draw. Khang ni adu di sida convex lens samada di kedawi. Convex lens samada koi na sun ki ray mein swai lak matam da we try to focus the total energy at a point the focus ta waliko and the energy is enough to ignite the paper. Koi hang with to draw slide sila akan sida focus ta kan da